Hi, my name is Mike Schwitz. This is my submission video for Mobile Electronics Magazine's Top 50 Installers for 2017. I've been installing 14 years professionally, the last 2 at Sound Connection Inc. in Wade Park, Minnesota. Being one of only 2 installers, I don't get to have a single installation specialty. I do everything from remote starts, regular installations, OEM integration, vehicle tuning, and custom fabrication. My install philosophy is do it right the first time and make sure the customer gets more than they expected. My influences range from tech guys like Wade from CompuStar and Brian Murphy, who know the ins and outs of all the vehicle networks, which I'm trying to learn more about. The fabrication guys, Chris Pate, Matt Schaefer, Chris McNulty, who are always pushing the limits of what we can do in this industry as far as fab goes. And tuning guys like Andy from Audio Frog, Chris Pate again, and Nick Wingate. I always enjoy their trainings and continue to learn more and more about making vehicles sound better. My co-workers would describe me as hardworking, dedicated, determined, and at the shop all the time, whether it's a holiday, Sunday, or my supposed days off. The biggest challenge I faced in the last year was having to move our shop in 28 days, including renovation and demolition. It was a big challenge, but we're in a much better location now, with a much nicer building. What I want customers to remember is that they had the install that they expected and they got a little bit extra. Whether it's a simple logo on a trim panel to cleaning their wiring. And why should I be part of the top 50? Because I continue to better myself as an installer through trainings, learning new fabrication techniques, training our other installers, and helping out the local kids as much as possible. Thank you for your time. Now I will do my video walkthrough and some pictures of my work from the last year.